like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast. Perhaps in the United States. Right now you're looking at a Jeep Gladiator. I'm going to say this is a 2021. Has left side collision damage. Right now you're looking at the engine compartment. Everything looks good here, no damage here at all. Radiator, condensers, everything is intact. This is an Overland edition. Let's take a look inside. Start this way. Really nice and clean on this side. Let's take a look inside. Nice leather interior. Need the driver's airbag. That's about it. In here, your windshield. Overland. These trucks are extremely popular. Now, let's go to the damaged area. It's on the left side. Got a little damage on the left front corner of the bumper here, probably why the airbag deployed. You need the left front fender and fender flare. Frame rail looks good. Looks like we replaced the strut on here. Frame rail's good on that side. Looks like you need a spindle. The top of the wheel is tipped in. You need an arm also. This arm, we just welded it temporarily so the vehicle could drive. Need left front door. Left rear door. Top is okay. Overall, nice unit. Nice builder for someone. Some damage here. That's the unibody. A rocker, center post. Need the running board. Overall, not a bad vehicle. I don't think it's into the frame at all. Frame goes in about a foot nowhere near where the damage is. But we'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.